We're in great adventure today, but we're talking about our first tour that we did together. It's how we met, and it was the first time that we extended a tour.
The Coaster Breaks Halloween tour was the first tour that we did together, and this is the itinerary of this tour.
Marcus has a company that takes people to theme parks. He's a tour guide. And I booked one of his tours. It was a Halloween tour. Germany, Netherlands, and Belgium.
So Coaster Breaks is a small group travel company dedicated to theme park tours and adventures throughout Europe. And we travel around to 7 different parks in 7 days, which is normally Walibi Belgium, Walibi Holland, Efteling, Move Park Germany, Phantasialand, Toverland, and Plopsaland de Panne.
Which has my favorite coaster.
Gabby obviously booked on one of my tours, and we ended up extending that tour and extending it again.
First, we extended it to England, and we went to Blackpool Pleasure Beach and Alton Towers. And then on the week after, we decided to extend it again to Spain. And then we went to Aventura and Tibidabo. So while we were in the main tour, we were talking about Nemesis closing day, which would be 2 days after our tour was going to end. And I really wanted to go there. And obviously, Marcus has a huge history with Nemesis.
Yep, and it's been about 2 years since I went to Alton Towers. So I was really eager to get back.
Just for the record, you were planning to go to Alton Towers before you met me, right?
Yes.
I was really eager to get back.
This is Gabby's get out clause.
Yeah, I know. So while with Gabby, we ended up booking it while in the queue for Taron, while walking around the cattle pen in Klugheim. That's when we ended up getting our Alton Towers ticket.
It started as a joke, almost like we both wanted to go. And when we find out that both of us wanted to go, we're like, we should go then. But it was kind of, I already have my flights back to somewhere else. I already have the hotels booked. And the crazy thing is, I don't like inverted coasters. So I was going through a lot of trouble to ride an inverted coaster. But it felt so right to do that. Like, there was something that I really wanted to go.
We went from Plopsaland to Blackpool.
Yeah.
Which is quite a distance, to be honest. But we got there late on the Friday night for Saturday. Blackpool for your first ever visit.
And while we were in Blackpool, we decided that on the next week we should go to Spain. We did more than roller coasters in Spain.
Yeah, something scared me a bit there. In Fuerteventura, that was when we ended up creating a new tour, which was the Texas tour.
That we're talking about in another video. But first, we're creating videos for each one of the parks that we've been to, talking about the parks, the rides, what are our thoughts. Obviously, Marcus is an expert in all of this park because he's always there, always taking people to these places. So make sure you subscribe to check our next videos.
Stay tuned in the next episodes to see where we're going next.